Hello, sir.
Hello.
You want to play Doc G?
Yeah.
It's like
How
this.
does it work?
You throw it on the ground, you try to flip this one. Or that one.
So like this?
Yeah. Yeah, but you gotta hit it first. You gotta flip it, and you gotta hit it on the other whippy question. Alright. Go ahead. My turn. No, you can't. You only get one chance for this. Alright, go again. Nope, you didn't do it. No, you only get one try, he said. Alright, dude?
Aw, dang it.
Alright, get over here. Do you have any money?
No, but I have my hands.
Nope. A slap for you.
Ah.
Alright, let's go. Wow. You did it. Alright, here you go.
I got something.
What is it?
This.
Oh wait, it has a phone number. Here, let's call it. Here, let me go get my phone. There it is. Alright, let's hear what it says. Ready? Hello? Oh, I forgot. Hello? Oh. Who is this?
The Rock.
Shut up! I'm trying to call someone, dude. Yep. You've been invited to the games. Alright. Or is it? We'll be coming at your house right now. Alright. Yo. Bro, I don't know who's this guy, but he says they're gonna come to our house and pick us up for a game or something like that. Let's go, alright? Let's just wait.
Hello? Were you the one who called me?
Yes.
Who are you?
Green banana VR?
Where'd you get my phone number?
From salesman dude. Gave me a card.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Well, it's time for me to go now.
Wait, are you gonna take me? He said you will
yes,
take me.
Come here.
Whoa, whoa, oh crap. Oh crap. Max! Max! Max!
Am I green? Yo guys, am I green, bro? Am I green or just gray?
They're green.
Let's go!
That is maybe why I'm so lucky. No!
Oh
my god. Why games?
Sorry.
I hate you both, monkey!
You are dead! Guys, are you beach? See ya! Are you beach?
I gotta run.
Much faster. Oh, whoa! Game! No!
Flip your big fat doll head.
He's the only one alive? Bro, that's what.
Oh fuck.
Yo, what's the next game, bro?
Maybe hide go seek or something.
I hope it's hide and seek.
I don't know these games.
I hope it's hide and seek.
It's kiddish.
Strategy! Everybody! Wait, guys!
I think they know exactly what I'm doing.
Everybody! Go!
Everyone, follow me this way! Follow me this way!
Up! Everybody up! Come on! Quickly!
Why? mercy! Have mercy!
Go down one more. This one's the longest one.
They need to have mercy. Don't look back. Don't look back.
No, dude. No. We camp here. We camp here.
We gotta go down.
He's dead.
Probably I wouldn't camp there. If I were you, I wouldn't camp there.
How about we
Why
just
not?
find different doors and stuff like that?
Oh yeah, there's 2 different ways we can go. Bye.
I have square. I have square.
Everyone be quiet. Just shut up.
I have square.
Wait, what if we camped here?
I
They
got
would
a
kill us.
circle here. I got a
They're
circle.
gonna
I
kill
got
us.
square.
They would kill us if we camped here.
Just shut up.
If I was you, let's go down there. Yeah,
No,
see,
yeah, but
let's
you
go
guys
down
don't
here.
want
Come
to.
on.
It goes to the
No,
main
because we
hallway,
can open
dude.
different doors
No,
and we can find the
it goes-
exit.
No, there's no exit.
Well, we can find the glitch map then.
I already got one.
No, because everybody goes there and they die.
Not
And all the seekers will be on that level.
Somebody's
'cause none
coming!
of the-
Somebody's coming!
There ain't nobody coming.
I hear talking. Let's just camp here now. Let's camp here.
Hey, we got 2 different ways. They come down here, we go down there. They come up here, we go up there.
Guys, stop pushing each other.
Stop pushing each other, people.
I
You,
would stay in
you
the
watch
middle
down
of the
there,
hallway,
we watch
so,
up here.
No.
Hey, we might survive. Yes, we did. Today has been a long day. That's a... Oh, nuts. I need to take a break.